In the previous lecture, we have studied about website, component of website and web browser, but nobody asked any question regarding that. So today we will, in the fourth part of chapter 1, we will discuss about the blogs, types of blogs, advantages and disadvantages. There are 4 types of blogs. Personal, what is personal blog, news and views, company blog, and the latest one is micro blog. So start with a blog. What is a blog? Blog is just like a personal diary, means the online journal or online diary in which we write our daily routine or whatever we want. Is like we can sometimes use it as for the important points or remembrance point. A blog refers to an online journal where entries are posted, means where entries are posted. The word blog has been derived from word vblog. Word blog is derived, means taken from the word vblog. A person who writes and maintains a blog, the owner of the blog or the person who writes is known as blogger, and the activity of writing blog is called blogging. Next topic is types of blog. There are 4 types of blog. First is personal blog. Personal blog is just like our personal diary, in which we write the thing related to us or whatever we want to remember or to show the other people. Just like in the if we say that personal blog, then there are many celebrities, politicians and scientists who write their personal blog to just show the other what they are doing, what they are thinking of, all that. Second is news and views. News and views means this type of blog contains factual stories about news maintained by journalists. News and views is a place or is a like online diaries where news are published or is basically maintained or managed by the journalist. Third is company blog. Company blog means it is a blog of company where company publish all the notice. It's like a online notice board where the employees and staffs of company can see what the company wants from them or give the information. Fourth is microblog. Microblog this is a new type of blog where one can post very short comment that other can follow. It is a type of blog where anybody can send or post a short comment. It's like a Twitter where a small comment is given and other will follow that, or they can even comment or repost that. Next is advantages of blogging. What are the advantages of blogging? First is enable you to write down your thought on anything that interests you. Means in blogging we can write anything related to our interest anywhere, anytime. Means no foundation for that. There is no restriction for anybody to not write like that and all that. Second is easy to set up, don't need much technical support. Means it is easy to set up the blog, how to create blog, and it can be easy to handle, manage. Third is easy and quick to update or add new post. Easy for the person, for the blogger to easily access and post the new information or a new comment. Next is people can leave comment on your blog. When the people read our blog, they can comment it or give compliment whatever they feel after reading the blog. And the last advantage is, if you want to read other people blog, there are literally millions to choose from. If you want to read the other people's blog, then there are millions of people who are writing their blog, or millions of blogs for which you are interested. Means ki it depends on your interest, that which type of blog you want. Disadvantages of blogging. Everything have two parts. Means कि हर सिक्के का दो पहलू होता है, एक अच्छा एक खराब. So the blogging also have the negative point as well. The first negative point means disadvantages are, whatever you publish is available for everyone to see. You cannot hide from others. If you hide, made it private. But if you made it public, everybody will see it. If you write a post in anger, you might regret later. If you write anything in angry mode, then you have to feel guilty or regret after writing, because many of the people will read it, see it and give the comment or compliment. Second, personal blog may be based on contain inaccurate information. Personal blog maybe have some inaccurate information. If we want to visit other, it may be fake ID or fake blog. Third, blog can be time consuming. Means making a blog is easy, but to maintain it daily is like a daily routine work, and it is difficult for everybody to take out some time and write it. If you want to make a blog, then be concerned that you have to spend some time daily, like as we eat food, as we sleep, then time for the blog is also compulsory. People may leave rude or inappropriate comments. Sometimes fake peoples or some angry people comes and write some abusing language or inappropriate content on your blog. That content will be shown to the other also. It gives a negative or some bad impact. The last disadvantage is, there are many dull blogs around. You may have to look at many before you find some worth reading. Means if you want to see the blog, then you have to travel from one blog to another in search of a good content or in search of a good blog to read, to suit your interest. Otherwise, there are millions of blogs which is there in the internet, and what you have to see. This is all for today. Please write your name in the comment box, like, subscribe and share this video as well as channel. I have seen many of the students are not writing their name on the comment. So please do it. Thank you for today. We will meet in the next lecture.